Hi, welcome. You just found out that you have access to your marketing materials. Congratulations. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly walk through the marketing materials that are offered for you and show you how you can edit those as well. So first you'll see that your marketing kit is ready. You will scroll down and you can edit the property profile info or your info that shows your headshot and the rest of your pertaining information. Here are your social media videos that are fully editable and customizable by you. And this goes in and plays as a photo, or as a video, I'm sorry. So let's say you like this photo, but you don't like the way it's laid out. You can maybe do this instead, and then it'll show that way. Maybe you would rather use a different photo here as well, such as this one. I think this one looks really nice. Okay. And then we can use one of the photos maybe here for the living room. I think that would look good, and we can just center it right on there to show different amenities that the property features. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,509 square feet. Ready for a property that rocks? Call Kip Kapfer. He's got some interesting words to put on his marketing materials, and I think it's fantastic. You want to show yourself as who your authentic self is. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video real quick that he partially made and I added on to. Okay, so that shows various photos of the property. You can publish this on social media, add any music you want as well. It's super easy to download to your phone or your computer. We have stories and reels. These are single image stories that you can place on your story on Instagram or on Facebook or on TikTok. They're just static images. And there's plenty more where that came from as well. So make sure you click the bottom button so that you can continue to see more. You have landscape posts that are fully editable. Okay, so you can change the information that's on here. Also, we have square posts that are perfect for Instagram. You have your Pinterest board. This is not editable, so it just shows like the first 24 images or so. Here's your site videos. This is the teaser and the teaser wide. So the teaser mainly is for Instagram. And then this one is mainly for, Facebook or whatever that you want to publish it on, or YouTube. But it very quickly just goes through the photos in under 30 seconds. Your branded and unbranded sites. One will contain your real estate agent information and the other one will not. So one is MLS compliant and one is not. So let's go ahead and check out this video here. This one will start with the logo of your organization, show the property, and then show the photos in a slower manner, but as you would walk through the home. So 2 minutes, 34 seconds, not too terribly long. And then you have your branded and unbranded property sites. Okay, these are shareable online. You can choose your own site theme if you don't like what was chosen for you. You also have a myriad of print-ready flyers that are custom built for you and that, again, are fully editable. So you can put your own information in here. You can add the QR code however you want to do it. So I always like putting the QR code on printed materials so that people can easily access the information. I always think that's really beneficial. So you can just pop that on down there. People can scan it and get any information that they need. You can just delete that. See? Easy peasy. Save and close. Throw it to the printer. You don't have to wait for your marketing brokerage to provide the marketing materials for you. But there are 17 different flyers to choose from, and they're front and back. Your weekly traffic report will be providing you lots of information about where your subscribers are coming from and what particular photos that they are looking at. So be sure to use Real Estate VisuAll for all your marketing materials and your media specialist, because we want to rev up your real estate and continue to have a wonderful relationship with you. Have a great day. Thanks.